Good morning, students. This is Professor Yellappa Halagodi. Today, I am going to start the new module, duality theory. So, we already discussed module 1 and module 2, and we have discussed and solved various problems on formulation of LPP, solving the LPP by graph theory, and solving the LPP by using simplex method, and also big M method and two phase method. So these all problems we have solved. So today we are going to start the duality theory. So as we know, the LPP, linear programming problem, in operation research we have to find the optimization of linear programming problem. So the general definition comes, the duality or a duality principle is the principle that optimization problems may be viewed from either of two perspectives, the primal problem or the dual problem. The solution to the dual problem provides a lower bound to the solution of the primal problem. The primal problem means the minimization problem. However, in general, the optimal solution or optimal values of the primal and dual problems need not be equal. That you should remember. The optimal values of the primal and dual problems need not be equal. Their difference is called the dual gap. Their difference is called dual gap or duality gap. So next comes to what is duality theory. So we know the general form of duality theory. So now we come to the picture of operation research. The theory of duality is a very elegant and important concept within the field of operation research. This theory was first developed in relation to linear programming, but it has many applications and perhaps even a more natural and intuitive interpretation in several related areas such as non-linear programming, network and a game theory. So this comes in the non-linear programming. We know already linear programming, but it also related to the non-linear programming, network and a game theory. The notion of duality theory within linear programming asserts that every linear programming has associated with it a related linear program called its dual. Understood? The notion of the duality theory within the linear programming. The every linear programming has associated with its related linear programs. So each linear program has associated with its a related linear program, that is called its a dual. The original problem in relation to its dual is termed as the optimal. So what is the original form of this problem to its dual is called the optimal. So it is the relationship between primal and its dual. So both on a mathematical and economic level, that is truly essence of duality theory. So we need, what we need for a duality theory, we need the essence of primal and the dual forms. So what were the concepts of primal and duality in the mathematical form? We already so known in the relationship between primal and the dual. So the important question from this duality theory is, what is the essence of, or explain the essence of duality theory. This is the question asked by a video in many previous question papers for 8 marks. So in that we need to elaborate the what is the essence of this duality theory, and how the primal problem and dual problem will structured, and give an example. So this is the concept of this essence of duality theory. So now let's see. Here I have given the algebra form of this primal and the dual both, how we need to convert from primal problem to dual problem. So here we see, considering this the form or structure, the standard form for the optimal problem at the left hand, its dual problem has the form shown to the down of that primal. So here the dual problem uses exactly the same parameters at the primal problem, but in different locations, as summarized in this image or a photo. So here the what the parameters at the primal problem, so they are differently located in the dual problem. So now let's see one by one. The coefficients in the objective function of the primal problem, the coefficients in the objective function of the primal problem are the right hand side of the functional constants in the dual problem. The right hand side of the functional constant in the primal problem are the coefficients in the objective function of the dual problem. And third one is the coefficients of the variables in the constants of the optimal problem or the coefficients in a functional constant of the dual problem. Now look at these two problems in a matrix notation, where C and Y. So y is represents y1 y2 up to ym, and similarly in the uh, row vectors, but b and x are a column vectors. So c and y are row vectors and b and x are column vectors. So next you see the right hand side. So there is, we have given the maximum of cx, or we write it as z is equal to cx. What are the subject to constants? Ax less than or equal to b, x is greater than or equal to 0 for a maximization. For a minimization, z is equal to by, subject to constant ay is greater than or equal to c, y is greater than or equal to 0. So we already know how to represent the maximization problem and the minimization problem in the constants. It is a less than or equal to, that is the maximization. It is greater than or equal to, this is minimization. And here the decision variables x and y are greater than or equal to 0, means the always the uh, decision variable should be in positive or a more than the 0 value. The relation between the primal and the dual problem using the same data but with the different structures. The relationship between the primal and dual problem constitutes very important basis for understanding the deeper structure of linear programming, that is compared to the systems to the linear equations in a primal and the dual. It provides the numerous insights in theory and algorithms and important integrants in the theory of linear programming. So these important ingredients in this duality theory of linear programming are provided by this algorithm. So objective value of the dual problem of the feasible dual solution, where we are using the feasible region, here we are using the feasible dual solution, provides the lower bound on the optimal primal objective value, and the dual problem can be derived for this purpose. However, the next derives it as a special case of the uh, uh, Lagrangian dual problem, that is the uh, theory behind this duality theory. So here we see the example. So I have considered this example for this duality theory or the primal and dual problem for the window glass co. This is the algorithm in the duality theory. So the primal problem and the dual problem has given. So here the primal problem is maximum z equal to 40x1 plus 30x2, that is the profit, and subjective constraint is x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 120, 4x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 320. Here decision variables x1 x2 greater than or equal to 0. So we have seen the maximum. Similarly, for a dual, the minimum 120 and 30 y2, 120 y1 plus 320 y2. Here you see how the transportation has came across in this problem. So here we see the right hand side in a primal problem 120 and 320. These are came in the coefficients of the objective function, that is 120 y1 plus 320 y2. Similarly, the x1 x2 is less than or equal to 120. We already know that should be changed here, because x1 plus 4 second constant 4x1, that becomes 4y2. Similarly, x2 becomes the y1 and 2x2 becomes 2y2. So here the minimum means greater than or equal to. So the coefficients of objective function in the primal, those becomes the values of right hand side, that is the greater than or equal to 40 for second constant, greater than or equal to 30. This is the transportation of one form to another form, that is the primal form to dual form. This is the actual concept of this dual problem. So we know or understood the essence of the duality theory. That will be definitely asked in an exam for 8 marks. Similarly, there is another concept, that is the relationship between the primal and dual, that also asked in exam. So you should write the example for primal and the dual with the values. So here, what is the relationship between these two problems? The values for the non-basic variables of the primal are given by the base raw of the dual solution under the slack variables, if any. Means sometimes you know how where the slack variables to be introduced. So this slack variable neglecting the negative sign if any, and under the artificial variables neglecting negative sign as well as the deleting m. So when artificial variable come, when the slack variable come, when surplus variable come. So values of slack variables of the primal are given by the base row under the non-basic variable of the dual solution neglecting the negative sign if any, that means minimization. The values of the objective function is same for the primal and the dual problem. This is the relation between the primal and dual problem. So guys, this is the concept of duality theory. So we understood the duality theory. So I hope you people understood. If you have any doubts, then please interact with me in the next class, and in the next video I will solve two problems on the duality theory. Thank you.